Welcome to this Micro Focus Service Desk demonstration video. This video demonstrates prerequisites for your organization prior to the Micro Focus Service Desk installation. To help you get started with Micro Focus Service Desk, your first step is to gather information that helps you in setting up the Service Desk. To configure Service Desk, the 3 key points that you need to know are your organization's inventory and assets, processes, and people. The inventory and assets are related to the items that you need to configure in the Service Desk Configuration Management Database. These will be further consolidated based on item type and category. The processes are related to the workflows, internal and external SLAs, and the ecosystem around them, including vendors and other stakeholders. People is related to how you serve your employees and customers. Let's consider an example. What information would a typical coffee shop need to set up Service Desk for internal users? A coffee shop would have inventory and assets, processes, and people. For a coffee shop, asset items can be chairs, tables, a billing computer, software licenses for the operating system and applications, the point of sales and any additional licenses for it, a refrigerator, and oven, each with different warranty and expiry dates. Inventory includes different types of coffee makers, each with a different warranty, coffee mixes, and cookies with different expiry dates. While not all assets need to be configured in the tool, based on your requirements, you can configure only those assets that are required. In a coffee shop, processes can be how to greet customers, how to make different types of coffee, when to order inventory, daily or weekly, how to make payments. You will have your similar processes in your organization. Again, not all of these processes will be critical to the Service Desk. Based on criticality and importance, configure only those processes that are required. People are your employees, such as a barista, who makes the coffee, a server who serves the coffee, and a manager who handles the requests made by staff for inventory and bookkeeping. The employees' requests, which may or may not need to be approved by people in the hierarchy, such as requests for leave and inventory. Employees can raise incidents for issues and problems. This coffee shop exists across multiple locations, with some locations being more important than others. So, location information also needs to be captured. This information, once categorized and consolidated in the Service Desk, helps to provide a picture of the day-to-day operations of the shop. The reporting and store functionality helps optimize the most frequently used processes and requests. Similarly, for your organization, you may have multiple sources of information captured in applications such as Lightweight Directory Access Protocol to manage the users in the LDAP directory, ZenWorks, or its equivalents, for managed devices, and an Excel or CSV for non-managed sources such as monitors, chairs, projectors, televisions, and so on. Next, consolidate these assets into categories or item types. This helps you in grouping and surfacing requests, issues, in processes in Service Desk, and also helps in drilling down reports. You may already have a team which deals with the issues and requests which come from your employees or end users. You need to formalize the same in Service Desk as Layer 1, Layer 2, and Layer 3 teams to handle issues and requests. This helps you a formalized mechanism for solving issues, requests, and escalations and approvals. How you assign the items and people together is through your processes. You need to define or formalize the workflows you use and add them into the Service Desk, so that Service Desk follows them when processing any issue or request. You need to capture the most used workflows and the associated SLAs, approvers, vendors, and other stakeholders. For that, you need to make a list of your vendors, internal and external SLAs for your processes. This helps you determine scale and support requirements beforehand, such as knowing the size of your teams, number of items, and number of inbound requests or issues. Helps an administrator in deciding the database and hardware requirements. For more Micro Focus Service Desk information and resources, visit the Micro Focus Service Desk documentation site. Thanks for watching.